I will kick said butts.
Butts.
Today, I am a Christmas elf. I choose you to help me welcome Matt Groening, Matt Selman, and Carolyn Omine.
Let's give a big shout out to the organist, Rob Richards. Little known El Capitan fun fact, he lives under the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, suits and talent, I'm Matt Groening. You may know me from such Simpsons bootleg merchandise as bootleg Bart, Black Bart t-shirts, bootleg Bart Sanchez Tijuana ceramic figurines, and officially licensed Millhouse asthma inhalers. I'm here with Matt Selman and Carolyn Omine, wishing you happy holidays and Meli Kalikimaka as the world premiere comes to you. Oh, come on, ye, all ye faithful. Who wrote that? Carolyn, yay. El Capitan Theater in the sketchiest boulevard in Hollywood, Hollywood Boulevard. And did you know that tonight marks a very special date in the history of the El Capitan Theater? That's right, on this very date in 1928 was the motion picture debut of the black and white classic animated cartoon Steamboat Itchy. And 4 days from today will be the debut of the show we are seeing tonight on the Disney Plus channel. This will mark the 35th anniversary, December 17th, 1989, of the very first Simpsons Christmas special, Simpsons Roasting on Number 5, which contains one of my favorite lines by Bart. If TV has taught me anything, it's that miracles always happen to poor kids at Christmas. It happened with Tiny Tim, it happened with Charlie Brown, it happened with the Smurfs, and it's going to happen with us. You know, in a jumbo enterprise like The Simpsons, there are way too many people to thank, but I'd like to mention a few folks at Gracie Films, for instance, James L. Brooks, Denise Surcott, Richard Branis, Richard Sakai, and from the show itself, executive producer Matt Selman, and Al Jean, the joke machine, and show publicist since way back when, Antonia Kaufman, and all the actors who are in the audience tonight. I saw a few of them. Let's see, Yardley is here, Yardley Smith is here, Jennifer Rodriguez. Who else is here? Ray Delisle. Chris Edgerly. Really good. Oh, great. And then
Disney, back on Fox for us.
And then also a shout out to Millhouse, Pamela Hayden. And of course, when we do these kinds of events, I always try to thank the writers, the musicians, the actors, but most of all, the people who really do the hardest work, the animators. For your drawing, your timing, and your dedication. And now, Matt Selman.
Hey everyone, how you doing? Sorry, it's a double episode, so you get 3 times the speeches. Tonight's amazing Christmas episode is all about miracles. It asks the question, are miracles real? Well, some people think, well, a lot of people think, they think it's a miracle that the Simpsons can magically predict the future. We can't, but we do. To me, the real miracle is that after 35 years, The Simpsons still exists. And it's as good as it's ever been, in my opinion. It still feels like a miracle to me that the wonderful people who make this show can still tell stories we are passionate about. We can experiment. We can air a series finale as the season premiere. And we can change as the world changes, for better or worse, but always staying true to the characters created by Matt Groening and given humanity by James L. Brooks. So tonight is another kind of Christmas miracle. The miracle that 5 years ago, Rupert Murdoch decided to sell all his toys to Disney. Which led to The Simpsons being reborn and rejuvenated on Disney+. Disney Plus is our North Pole. North, in this case, being Burbank. Burbank. So, joining the Disney family has opened up an amazing new chapter in the show's 3-decade journey. We are giving huge holiday hugs from everyone at The Simpsons to all the magical elves who supported and protected and loved this show for so many years, and that's Dana Walden, Eric Schreier, Shannon Ryan, Joe Early, Marcy Prieto, Asad Ayaz, Elisa Bowen, and Gabriel Lewis. Anyway, the show you're about to see tonight is very special. It's a giant-sized holiday tale full of feeling and love and laughs, and spoiler alert, Homer getting maced while in jail. But, now, Matt already said that this is airing 35 years, so I'm going to skip that part. But it is my honor to introduce this story's writer and co-runner, a passionate, hilarious voice who puts her heart into every frame of The Simpsons, Carolyn Omine. She's the best.
2023 was a difficult year for me. A lot of drama and death, which meant a lot of travel and YouTube. I found comfort watching Darren Brown, a British mentalist, hypnotist, magician, who uses his skills to conduct elaborate social experiments on real-life humans. His work is wildly entertaining and surprisingly moving. And the theme that runs through Darren's work is that what we perceive as reality is actually a story we're telling ourselves, a story we can alter with just a change of perspective. This is what I hope comes through as a theme of this episode, that when things get dark, when bad things happen to good people, when triumphs happen to bad people, when Jojo Siwa drops a dance video and claims to have invented gay people, it's easy to see everything as dark and hopeless. But if you look for it, there is real magic in the world. And there are miracles happening all around you. And there are miracles in this episode. Karatov's score is transcendent. And the incredible precision and beauty of the a cappella group Pentatonics is glorious. And You will definitely be aware of the existence of your soul because that's where you feel it when you hear Patti LaBelle sing. I've always thought of God as the energy that bounces back and forth between atoms and between people. It is the magic that happens in the rewrite room, or an orchestra, or among hundreds of animators. And so, dear coworkers, loved ones, and randos, I hope your holidays are filled with miracles, and I hope you see them. And if someone says bless you the next time you sneeze, whether it's a family member or a stranger on the street, I hope you allow yourself to feel truly blessed, because the divine exists in the space between two people. Merry Christmas!